How to use text containers in OneNote. So here I am in OneNote, and then from here, before we start, so we need to make sure that the note containers or text containers is turned on. So just go to File, then click Options, go to Display, and then make sure this option, Show Note Containers on Pages, is turned on. And then click OK. Then we can go ahead and start. So now when we go ahead and write our notes, it puts it inside of a text container. So for example, I can put right here, this is my first text container. So now we have the text container right here. And then what we can do is that we can simply drag and drop it anywhere in our notebook. So this is especially helpful so that it can help us organize our notes. And then you can also drag it like to outside of your screen. And then what will happen is that a scroll bar will automatically appear so that you have a bigger size for your notebook page right here. And then I can just bring it back right here. Then what you can also do is that you can copy and paste text containers to different pages. So for example, I add another page. I can just simply copy this text container and then I can paste it right here. So you can go ahead and choose the other paste options, like if you want to keep the text only, merge formatting, keep source formatting, or paste it as a picture. So I'll just keep the source formatting. So now we have the text container right here. So it is the same. And then you can just go ahead and click anywhere in your notebook right here so that you can go ahead and create your second container. So for example, I'll put right here, this is my second text container. And then you can also make your text containers bigger. So by just pressing enter, you can add more spaces to your notebook. To your text container like this. And then you can also go ahead and change like the format of that specific container. Like for example, if I click on this, so right now the text container uses Calibri text with an 11 font size. So I can go ahead and make that a different font. So let's say I choose this one, Agency FB font style, and then I can make the text bigger. So let's choose 20. And then now you can see the bigger text right here, and then the different font style. Then you can also apply like text formatting. Like for example, we can make this bold, we can make this italic, we can underline, and then we can highlight, we can change colors of the text. So for example, this one, let's make it to a blue color. So for example, like that. So you can go ahead and format your containers or text containers however you want. And then what you can also do is that you can merge your container. So for example, I will make another container right here. And then I can merge containers by clicking this part of the container right here, this part right here. So when you hover your mouse, there will be an icon right here at the left side. And then what you can do is that you can drag that specific line so that you can merge it to different containers. So for example, this one, if I drag this and then put it inside of the first container, so as you can see, it is now merged right here. So now we just have one merged container right here. And then if I want to remove that, I can just go ahead do the same thing. I can click on this icon on the left side of the line, then I can just drag it outside of the container. So now it is removed, and then now we have three text containers again. And then that is basically it. So those are the basics of how you can use the text container in Microsoft OneNote. I hope you learned how to use them, and thank you for watching.